Hello, everybody. Today we'll be working on CELPIP Reading, that is part 4, Reading for Viewpoints. Let us understand the format first. The timing for this question type is 13 minutes, and we have to answer 10 questions. There'll be 2 blocks of 5 questions each. The type of text. There is a main text and there is a second text. In the main text, there's an article that contains 2 or more opinions about a community issue. The second text is a short comment from a reader with the blanks. Now the examples. Citizens' reaction to a government's decision, a potential positive and negative impact of a parenting style, the tone and the level of formality. The tone is formal, it's complex, it is similar to a news article. Discussion of an idea is there, concepts and possibilities are there. There's a possible combination of facts and opinions about a topic, which is also called as a persuasive topic. How do we attempt this kind of question? The first step is called preview. Take 1 minute to read the set of questions with the keywords. Take 3 minutes to understand the opinions of the topic and what they believe and why they believe in particular thing. Now read the text and the question answers. Take 4.5 minutes for the first part, that is the first 5 questions, and 4 minutes for the next 5 questions. Use your notes, inference techniques, paraphrase skills to find out the answer. Remember one thing. This kind of question type is very, very difficult. So make it very sure you know it properly. You practice a lot, only then you will be able to figure out. Review for 30 seconds and make it show that you have answered every question. Now in the real test, the screen will be divided into 2 parts. On one side, there'll be the questions. On other side, there'll be the passage. And there's a scroll bar. So you can scroll up and down to see the questions. You can see it here. Scrolling up and down is going on. It is very simple, but again, mostly the questions are inference questions. So make it very sure that you understand what are inference questions. Now this is the question type. First, we will read the questions and we'll understand what the keywords are. There are 5 questions. The first question, the article subject is. So we have to find the subject of the entire article. Question number 2, AAOS says. So that means we have to find out what is AAOS saying. According to Dr. Jennifer Rees, we have to find out where Dr. Jennifer Rees is and what is she saying. Question number 4 is AAOS recommendations. So we will see what they are recommending. And question 5 is a result of something so that the bones become something. Now, pause the video here. Read the questions once again. This is the article. This article is also in the description with the questions. Try to figure out what the article says and find out these 5 questions. Now, these are the answers. Let's move ahead. The passage again, but this time you have to find out this summary. It's a kind of a summary in which question number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are drop downs with 4 options each. So we have to find them. 6th question and the drop downs, 7th question and the drop down. Pause the video here. Answer the questions and move ahead. Question 8, question 9. Pause the video here, answer the questions and move ahead. Question 10. Now these are the answers to questions 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I hope you have understood some parts of the tips here, because this is a very different question type. It's pretty difficult to answer these questions unless or until you know what is inference questions. I suggest you to practice a lot before giving the examination. Otherwise, these questions can be a major disaster. Watch this channel for more exercises and more videos on CELPIP. Thank you.